of fun? Can you tell me what my total is?
Hey guys, Toys Academy here. Today we have this fabulous and ultra modern Barbie My Blinging cash register. At the back of the box, it says everything you need to run your own boutique, and it has 58 pieces. Cool. Let's take it out from the box. This is the panel of the cash register, and I super like it. It is so colorful and it has a lot of features. And also, we can adjust it by tilting this up twice, 1, 2, and down. Cool! It has an LCD screen, and this is the calculator touch buttons. Let's try the on.
Hi, it's Barbie.
It says phrases. Let's try the numbers. Produces beeping sound. Oh no, it only has a touch button for addition. Nothing for subtraction, multiplication, and division. Uh-oh. Let's try the total. It works. Anyway, there's a touch button here for fabulous. Let's try this.
Let's go to the checkout.
More phrases.
What are you shopping for today? Let's go shopping. Can you tell me what my total is?
And on this side of the panel, we can see here a pictured touch buttons of a specific item. Let's try them one by one. Let's try first the trail mix.
Trail mix is a healthy snack.
Right.
Lacey would love to try these new dog treats. Let's get a yogurt.
Yummy.
We're going to the beach. Let's grab sunscreen.
Oh, I need that during the summer.
This nail polish will really make my nails sparkle.
Oh, Miss Kay loved that nail polish.
Let's get popcorn for a movie night with Stacy.
Right.
Chelsea wants to bake a cake. Let's buy sugar. I wonder if Nikki and Teresa are in Doll Weekly magazine. Let's get some candy for Ken.
Oh, sweet. And at the back of this panel, this is where we can place the batteries. Awesome! The base of the cash register, and this pink button is for the cash drawer. And this space here is for the portable credit card reader. The picture we can see here in the portable card reader is the same as on the panel. But the difference is, on the portable card reader, it's non-functional. And at the back, this is where we can place the batteries. Okay, let's try if this portable card reader works. Let's use the Barbie's credit card. Beeping sound. Okay, let's place this inside the cash register. This playset also comes with Barbie's coins. We have 25 cents. 10 cents. Says here Barbie. and 5 cents. It also comes with Barbie's play money. Here's a dollar bills, $5 bills, and $10 bills. This playset comes with a basket full of groceries. I super love this basket. I love the hot pink color and it has glitters on it with a yellow colored handle, and we can see here Barbie. And let's check the item one by one. First, it has the Barbie Girl Trail Mix. And here is Love, Love, and Barbie Sunscreen. Okay, let's open. Oops. We cannot open this. And it has a Barbie water bottle. It's empty. We cannot also open this. And a Barbie yogurt strawberry banana flavor. Okay, let's put this back in the grocery basket. I love the looks of this cash register with its accessories. So colorful and ultra modern. It could have been better if the card reader picture touch buttons also work. They should have placed all of the functional operation touch buttons here, and it will be so perfect if the LCD screen will show the price of the item when we press the touch buttons in the side of the panel. Thank you guys for watching, and watch out for more videos.